Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys absolutely know these are my favorite videos to film. So Petunia Pickle dropped a brand new collection, Star Wars. It is called The Child. I'm so excited. As soon as they announced it, I was freaking out. I do want to give a disclaimer. One of these items was gifted to me by Petunia Pickle, but the other two I purchased with my own money because my husband loves Star Wars. That is he. Our basement is filled. You guys have not seen that because I respect his privacy and I'm not going to show it. But he has so much stuff. He loves Star Wars. So I had to get this collection. Let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. The first thing I got is, you guys know, is my favorite thing that they carry. And I got a sling. You guys know I love my slings. I have a lot of videos on how I actually pack my sling. I truly love this sling. This one is a little bit different because it is a different material. But I love my slings. I'll go ahead and show you a little bit more details on this right now. You guys have seen this sling on my channel multiple times. I do have a pack with me 3 ways. This is honestly changing all the time, but this is one of my favorite go-to bags if I go into the grocery store. I absolutely love this print. It is so adorable, guys. You guys cannot tell me. I always keep the plastic on there until it falls off naturally, just to keep it safer, to be honest. It is a double pull. And then this pocket right here is an insulated pocket. I love that. I like putting wipes in here so it doesn't, like, spill and the juices get all over the place. You could even put actual juice in here if you want to. I absolutely love that. So that pocket is insulated. Another amazing feature about this bag is it does open almost all the way down. So you have so much room to put stuff in there. And now let's go ahead and do a nice little close-up of the inner print. It is so cute. I love that it has that right here as well. And there's a little print on the inside. The frog is the cutest thing ever. And then when you turn it around, there is actually a pocket right here. I actually store the strap in there while I show you the product. But in here, you could throw your phone, your wallet. I love throwing my wallet in there and my phone, or even like my charger. Again, I have a lot of packing videos using this bag. I just really wanted to show you guys the new collection. But I'm going to go ahead and put this right back in there. That's actually how I store it. And you can use it on either side to make it more comfortable, and some people also use this guy as well for the sling. All right, and if you've been watching me for a while, the next thing I picked up, you guys are not going to be surprised, but it is the Intermix. I love the Intermix. This can be used as a caddy on your stroller. It has packing cubes. It has a cooler pixel. I absolutely love these. I believe I also have a video on this as well, but I will show you more details on this right now. All right, so the Intermix Deluxe Kit. This is the first time I actually have one that has this material. I usually has a different material. Look how cute that is, guys. It's so cute. It has these hooks on the side. You can also has the Velcro, and you can attach it to your stroller if you need to. So it's a multi-purpose product. The big one is a cooler pixel. I only fill this up when I'm gonna take juice, apples, or stuff like that for my munchkin. So that is actually not filled up right now. I also love the midi cube. Now in here, I have a change of clothes for my daughter. There's actually 2 changes of clothes just in case. Again, that print is throughout the entire bag. And in this one, I have some snacks for her. These are emergency snacks. I don't pack anything in the cooler pixel one. And then in the other one, it is our first aid kit that I have right now. I have Neosporin, first aid things, and I have gum in there as well, because that's an emergency product, right? And then inside, again, this could go on top of the stroller. I just noticed I had this in here. You could put this again on top of the stroller, or you can honestly just use it like this and fill it up and put it like in your car if you wanted to, just like that, like, kind of fill it up. I should do a video on just filling it up for the car, but it has so many purposes. You could even put like wipes, your pumping stuff in it if you need to. I love this product. I believe it's so worth the price. But yeah, I absolutely love the Intermix Deluxe kits. They are, again, another favorite product that they carry. All right, and last but not least, this is the item that they actually gifted me, which I am beyond grateful for, is this guy. So I was able to pick between the Meta or the Sink. If I was going to get Guru on my bag, he needs to be all over my bag, which is why I actually picked this one. I'll put right now on the screen what the other one looked like. But I already have a Sink that's pretty much the same thing. I'll show you guys the difference between both of them as well if you're interested in getting that bag as well. The only item I did not get from the collection is the tote. I actually wanted to get the plain tote to match my regular Sink. So I actually have that, which I'll show you guys as well. And I'll put up on the screen what the child collection one looks like. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you what this one looks like as well. Okay, so this is the Meta. And this one has a really cute keychain. It's freaking adorable. I have done a video on the Meta before as well, but let me go ahead and quickly show you it. So this pocket right here is insulated. I love, again, putting my wipes in there. That's just personally what I like putting in there. But you could put many things in there, even like milk pouches when you are breastfeeding. That will fit in there perfectly. It does have a flap, and again, up here is that beautiful print. This material is the material of the Sink bag. If you do have a Sink bag, it is literally the same material. There is a nice pocket here. There's a mesh pocket here, and then another pocket here, so you can put your phone or anything you need in there. And then it doesn't open all the way because right here you actually have another insulated pocket where you can put your water bottle, drinks, or anything like that. And then on this side is where you open the entire bag. 2 mesh pockets. This one does come with a changing pad. Unfortunately, this changing pad isn't the same print as that. It is just a black changing pad. Then it does have a nice back sleeve here, so you can put your laptop, their tablets, or anything like that. And this bag in particular does have 2 hooks right here. The straps are padded and black, and it does have this guy here if you need to put it on your suitcase. And it does have a zipper back here as well, felt lined again, so you could actually put your phone back there. So that is a nice little overview of the Meta. Okay, right off the back, both bags do have insulated pockets in the front. The Sink one is bigger though. It does have a nice little pocket right here as well, and the Sink does come with a little cube, which is actually insulated as well. And then there is a front pocket here that has 2 pockets here. This one's felt line, and this is a mesh pocket, and it is a magnetic closure. All right, and then on the Meta, there is, again, an insulated pocket in the front. It is smaller than the Sink, though. Okay, so when we turn it over to the sides, the Sink has 2 big pockets. They actually both fit my 32-ounce fluid, my 32-ounce water bottle. Now, the Meta does not. The Meta only has a pocket on this side, which you could fit. Actually, you could probably fit 2 water bottles in here, which is nice. But this one, it is in the outer, and this one's in the inner. So that since it is in the inner, it does take up space from the inside of the bag. Now, on the back here, you will be able to see of both bags. They both have nice padded straps, backpack straps, and they also have these guys, and they both have these nice rings. The only difference from the back is the Meta actually has the felt line phone pocket here versus the Sink does not, but they do have the strap here so you can put it comfortably on your suitcase. All right, another big difference is the Sink you can open this way, and it is nice and big. It does have 2 mesh, well actually 3, oh my gosh, I can't count. 4 mesh pockets, and it does have a big sleeve back here for a laptop. Versus the Meta, you only can open it halfway, so here to all the way down here, which is nice if you are throwing a whole bunch of stuff in there. And then it comes with 2 mesh pockets and 1 pocket in the back for like a laptop. And then again, keep in mind that if you fill this guy up, it will take up some room inside the bag. And now, just for watching purposes, I'm going to go ahead and put the Intermix Deluxe kit inside the Meta so you guys can see what's in there. It's actually full, so let's see how it fits. Fits in there perfectly, actually. It fits in there perfectly. Keep in mind, if this is full, it is going to give you a little bit of a pushback, so you do have to, you know, make sure you can zip it up nice and easily. I can still honestly fit a water bottle and everything in here. You just got to give it a little bit of a push depending on how full that Intermix inside is. But I make it work. All right, now let's put the Intermix Deluxe kit inside the sink. And that fits perfectly in there as well. And then you have the, you know, the bigger inner pockets so you can just fit more in general. Now, I personally just have one toddler, so I went towards the Meta. But if you have multiples, I do recommend the sink. I feel like it's really, really good and versatile, and you could fit so much in that bag. But again, the Meta is great as well. It just depends on how you like to pack. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Really quickly, there is a link down below if you do want to buy anything from Petunia Pickle Bottom. I do get a small commission, and that helps my channel so much because it does help me, you know, get some moolah so I could be able to purchase more bags to share and show you guys, and it also helps my family as well. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.